Thanks for joining me. I'm sharing the best waffle recipe ever. This is super perfect and it's so easy. You can make a lot of it, keep some in your freezer, and whenever you don't have much time in the morning, bring them out, put it in your microwave, and you're going to have a freshly made waffles again. This is so direct. It is super fluffy and outside is crispy. Let's get it started. In a bowl, I'm going to pour the melted butter I'm using. I used microwave to melt the butter, so I added sugar direct into this. I'm going to add eggs direct into the bowl, and I'll be adding salt into it, and I also added vanilla sugar into it. So it's now time to mix the first ingredients together. You can also use your hand mixer to mix them all together. That is the very most important thing. Mix them together and let them become one. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for loving my videos. Newcomers, you're welcome. Remember to join us. It is free. Thank you so much. So lovelies, after that I'm going to add milk into this, and I'm going to add water. You can use only milk if you don't want to use water, no problem. So now I'm going to mix it until it becomes creamy. This is what you're going to have. All right, so it's now time to add the all-purpose flour into this, and after that I'm just going to add baking powder into this. I'm now going to use my mixer to mix them together. Please don't over mix your dough. Just allow them to combine and stop the mixer. Okay, so you can just take a spoon and check your dough. This is what you're going to have. All right, so lovelies, it's now time to get your waffles machine ready. Look at mine. It is clean and I've connected it to the electric, so I'm just going to cream it with some butter. Very important. All right, cream the down part and the top part as well, so that you'll be able to remove your waffles as soon as it is ready. I'm just going to scoop the butter now with the spoon. It depends on how big the machine you're using is. Please don't overfill it so that you won't mess up your machine. Okay, now cover it and let it bake. Mine will turn from red light to green light as soon as it is ready. Please check your machine so that you can know the signal you need to look out for you to know your waffle is ready. Look at this. Look at what I have. This is super fluffy inside there, but outside is crispy and the taste is super. That is why I'm saying make sure you share this, keep this recipe, and whenever you're ready to make your waffles, try this. You can serve it with butter, you can serve it with maple syrup, or you sprinkle some sugar on it. It's so yummy. Thanks for watching.